Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Dog Care Smart Dog Clippers, a cordless grooming kit designed for pets. These clippers feature heat-proof blades that stay cool thanks to an advanced aerodynamic cooling system and temperature monitoring. You can easily see the blade temperature on the LED display, preventing burns and keeping your pet comfortable. With 3 adjustable speeds and an auxiliary light, grooming is precise and safe even in low light. The rechargeable heavy-duty design ensures long-lasting performance without the hassle of cords. Whether you have a dog or cat, this professional trimmer makes grooming easier and more enjoyable. Say goodbye to stressed pets and hello to smooth, safe grooming sessions. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.